entering into the womb on the auspicious full moon day of the Vishaka month, while Queen Maya Devi of Kapilavastu was observing a purification fast. The Bodhisattva placed her womb as celestial abode, free from the impurities of mundane existence, and entered thought her right side in the aforementioned form of the stars, Ashkiri 11. Upon entering the womb of his mother, the Bodhisattva satiated her with an ecstatic feeling expressed by Queen Maya Devi herself in birth. Ashkiri body bearing 6 stars with a hue like corn and snow, beautifully adorned by golden mail and a red crown. I dream of this elephant dissolving into my body. As it entered in, my body and mind experienced a rapturous delight such as I had never had. Snow fell before, as if remaining in meditative absorption. As a mark of the completion of the 10 stages of the Bodhisattva, he spent 10 months in his mother's womb, enjoying a feeling of pure bliss, and blessed in marble God and man with the profound nectar of the doctrine. Thank you for listening and watching.